Once upon a time in a small village, there was a little girl named Lily. She loved animals, especially her kitten, Snowball. Snowball was a playful white kitten with bright blue eyes, and she followed Lily everywhere she went. One sunny afternoon, Lily and Snowball went to the park to play. While Lily was swinging on the swings, Snowball wandered off, chasing a butterfly. When Lily finished playing, she called for Snowball, but the kitten was nowhere to be found. Lily began to worry. She searched the park, calling out Snowball's name, but still no kitten. She asked the children playing nearby, "Have you seen a white kitten?" But no one had seen Snowball. Feeling sad, Lily decided to go home and look again the next day. On her way home, Lily heard a faint meowing. She followed the sound to a large tree. There, stuck on a high branch, was Snowball. Lily tried to climb the tree, but it was too tall. She quickly ran to her neighbor, Mr. Brown, who was a kind old man with a ladder. Mr. Brown brought his ladder and carefully climbed up to rescue Snowball. The kitten was scared but unhurt. Lily hugged Snowball tightly, thankful to have her best friend back. From that day on, Lily made sure to keep a close eye on Snowball whenever they went to the park. And Snowball? She never wandered off too far again, knowing that her place was right by Lily's side. In a small town, there lived a boy named Tom. Tom loved to draw, but he often felt frustrated because his drawings never looked as good as he wanted them to. One day, while walking home from school, he found an old, shiny pencil lying on the ground. It looked ordinary, but something about it felt special. Tom decided to take it home. That evening, Tom sat down at his desk to draw. As soon as he started using the pencil, something amazing happened. His drawings came to life. He drew a bird, and it flew off the paper and around his room. Excited, Tom began drawing all sorts of things: flowers, animals, even a small house. Everything he drew sprang to life. The next day at school, Tom couldn't wait to tell his friends about the magic pencil. He showed them how it worked, and soon the classroom was filled with butterflies, birds, and colorful flowers. His friends were amazed and everyone wanted to try the pencil. But Tom noticed something strange. The more he used the pencil, the weaker the drawings became. The bird didn't fly as high, and the flowers weren't as bright. Worried, Tom decided to take the pencil back home. He thought about what to do and realized that the pencil's magic was running out. He had used it too much. Tom knew he had to be careful with what he drew next. So he decided to create something truly special. That night, Tom sat down with his pencil one last time. He thought hard about what he wanted to draw, and then he began. He drew a beautiful park filled with trees, a sparkling pond, and happy children playing. When he finished, the park came to life and stayed just as bright and colorful as the first time he used the pencil. Tom smiled, knowing he had created something wonderful for everyone to enjoy. He carefully placed the pencil in a box, deciding to keep it safe. Though the pencil's magic had faded, the joy it brought to his town remained. Tom learned that true magic wasn't in the pencil, but in the creativity and kindness within himself.